I'm out at Daniel Stowe again, and I just came down this one trail. I thought it was a new trail. It turns out I had been on that trail before last season, and last year essentially. It was just all natural terrain, unimproved, roots, dirt, everything. And they didn't pave it, but they threw down a bunch of dirt, sand, whatever, and gravel, medium-sized stones, and well, small stones, small-ish stone. And now it's a very nice trail. Last year it was almost a hazard getting up and down because you really had to watch out for roots. But this year I didn't even recognize it. So right now I'm on the 3-mile loop. I got about 2 miles to go, I guess. So Daniel Stowe Nature Preserve. If you're down in Belmont, North Carolina, come on out.